Sometimes kids ask the questions that stump us the most, like, why can we see the moon during the day? This week you asked about that, flags, and also, why does pepper make us sneeze? All good questions for Heather Brown.
So a lot of times kids' questions are the hardest, so we came to an astrophysicist at the U.
9-year-old Lexi asks, why can you see the moon during the day?
You don't see the sun coming out in the nighttime, do you? Show some respect.
Why not? Right? It's lit up by the sun, and when it's up in the sky, you can see it no matter whether it's day or not.
You could usually see the moon for 12 hours a day. The rest of the time, it's on the other side of the Earth.
The sun is usually like bright enough that the moon isn't visible, like, unless you're really looking for it.
That's the shade the moon is, and if you walked outside and held this in the sun, you would be able to see it.
Deb from Anoka noticed the flags at her children's school were at half-mast on Monday, so she wants to know who decides when flags are lowered. Well, Deb, it's the president or the governor of a state. It's reserved for times when the nation or a state is in mourning or to honor public servants who've died, like on Memorial Day. Last Monday, President Obama ordered the flags lowered after the shooting at a college campus in Oregon. Minnesota followed. But Governor Dayton can do it on his own, like he did on September 8th in honor of St. Paul firefighter Shane Clifton, who died on the job. Connie from Monaga wants to know, why does pepper make us sneeze?
It flies in the air and it like tickles people's like nose hairs, which makes them sneeze.
Most particles that get into our nose, like dust, make us sneeze. But pepper has a chemical called piperine in it, and piperine gives pepper its spicy taste, but it's especially irritating to the nose.
No one ever asked me this question.
It's a legit question.
Well, if you have a question for Heather, you can email it by going to WCCO.com/links.